Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sierra Jonay, and today I'm coming with a new video, but this is a little bit different. Actually, a lot of bit different from what you guys are used to seeing on my channel. Today I will be doing a quick crochet braid install, but actually it's braidless crochet braid install. Okay, so this is the hair. I'll be using the Model brand hair. It's a Model glance braid in the Jumpy wine curl pattern. And I got number 2. As you can see, very cute, big, bouncy curls. Super cute. So I want to say I got 3 packs of the number 2. And I also got a pack for a little bit of color, but I might not use it. I got what is this? The OT27. Like a little kind of ombre-ish, kind of fades into dark to the blonde situation. But I might not use this. I don't know. I don't like color like that, but I thought I might jazz it up for the springtime. We gonna see. So like I said, this is gonna be a braidless crochet tutorial. So you can see I already have my hair slicked back. I washed it, moisturized it. I am natural. My hair is so funny acting. I can't tell you what type of curl pattern I have, but it's something, but I don't know what. But I just washed it, moisturized it. I used a little wild growth oil, and then I used my Eco Styler gel. This one I got from my local beauty supply store. Was it like $3? $3.99. $3.99. And made a middle part, as you can see. And I slicked it back into a little ponytail at the back, so no hairs left out. These old half-ass done baby hairs right here, but whatever. But yeah, that's it. So I slicked it back. And alright, let's get this show on the road. So this is 1 pack of hair right here, which is a fairly decent amount. And I'm going to take the curls and split them in half. This hair is super soft, super soft. See how bouncy that is? Love it. So I'm just going to split the hair in 2. It did get a little frizzy, but you can just run your fingers over it. Kind of knock some of that frizz out. Okay, I'm going to start from the back and work my way up. So I have my crochet needle. Also, this purchase at my local beauty supply store. It has a little latch on it. Can you see that? The little latch. So you want to put the latch in your hair, but you want to have it open when you're putting it into your hair. You want to have it open. Start and just take it, slide it in, grab your hair and put it on the latch. Close it and pull through. Like so. See how I did that? I should have that. Should be able to pull it through. Voila! And you repeat this step until your hair is completely covered. See, I can't cornrow to save my life, so this is why I do the braidless option, and it lasts me about 2 weeks. As long as I tie it up, or at least put my bonnet on before I go to bed, It lasts me 2 weeks. I may only need to use 2 packs of hair, but we're gonna see. So right here, I'm just doing the back of my head, splitting all the curls in twos, make it look nice and full and natural. Alright, so right here, this is me almost done with the back. This is almost 1 pack of hair that I've used so far. Alright, so I'm working on the back still, filling it in. I'm still on my first pack of hair. Me and the hair weren't agreeing. So you can really get your hair pretty full with just 1 pack of hair. So you may only need to use the 2 packs if you don't like it as big. Just continue to split them in 2, or you can even split them in 3. Ooh, almost done. Just trying to fill in some spots that I missed. Okay. And one for the front with the parts. I'm not going to tie a knot in those because I want it to look natural. Alright guys, here it is. This is just about 2 bags of hair. And it's pretty full. I like my hair big. I am going to cut some and kind of shape it to my face. But other than that, it's going to be this big, for real. So, this is what 2 bags looks like. I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to do the top part of it. I'm going to do no knots here so it can look as natural as possible. So I'm not going to knot it because I hate seeing knots by the part. Okay? Don't like it. So I'm going to start on this side. I'm just going to split my hair like I've been doing, splitting it in 2s. I may need to open up 1 more pack just to use a little bit out of that pack just for the part area. So I'll take my needle, slide it in under, connect the hair as you can see, pull through. Instead of taking both of them, only take the one and bring it through the loop and pull. I'm going to do that for the entire part, and to me it just looks a little more natural when you can't see like the really big knots in it. I'm going to cut all this. I don't know how. Usually I do a section here part, a section here and part, but today I was just filling the middle part, so I usually wear it kind of flipped over, but I think I'm just going to leave it as a middle part this time around. So I'm just going to continue to do that same, bring one through, pull it through the whole part section. Oh, I love big hair. It's going to be so cute, especially when I get it shaped like I want it. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. This is 2 packs of hair. A little bit of the 3rd pack, but not a lot. This side already. Just gonna kind of cut it. Trying to frame my face. So let's use some regular scissors to cut it. And do this side as well. I do like this curl pattern. Alright. This is what it looks like. And this was the model glance, at a glance. Okay. Crochet hair, jumpy wine curl, which is super cute and it's really soft. Super soft. Alright guys, so this is the final product. The final look. This is what it looks like. This is about 2 packs of hair and a little bit of a 3rd pack. I have my middle part there. I kind of been shaping it off camera a little bit just to give you guys a feel of how I'm going to wear it. But it's going to be this big for sure because I love big hair. Excuse me. But I think it's really cute, fun. The curls are super bouncy and soft. I've kind of been playing with it with my fingers. It's really full. Can y'all see that? I know this is something different and new for you guys. So if you want to see more videos like this, leave me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you next time with more videos. Maybe something like this. Maybe pressing shirts. I never know. You never know. It's a surprise. Doing something new. Let me know if you guys like it. Alright. Until next time. Be blessed.